In today's video, I have brought you a very nice problem of Vietnamese Mathematical Olympiad edition 1982. Here is the following statement. Find all x, y, and z as a positive integers. Satisfy these following equations. So the left hand side of this equation involving the power of 2. For each term, we have 2 to the x plus 2 to the y plus 2 to the z. We want this one, we want this sum equals this number, 2336. Okay? Let's get started by solving this equation. So I get here the following. I get 2 to the x plus 2 to the y plus 2 to the z equals 2336. So if you try to make this one on the form of the factorization prime as a product, so we will see here 2336 is the same as 2 to the fifth is multiplied by 73. Okay, I'm going to solve this equation by taking 2 to the x as a common factor for these three terms. So I get here 2 to the x factor. This one was multiplied by number 1. This one was multiplied by 2 to the y minus x. This one it was multiplied by 2 to the z minus x. So this thing equals 2 to the fifth is multiplied by 73. Now it's more clear here. This is odd because we have two even numbers here, plus number 1 is given as odd, but this one is a even, is a power of 2. So which means this one is going to take this one. This one is completely going to take this one. It's more simple. Okay. Immediately we are going to take x equals 5. So let's take this thing equals 73. So we get here 1 plus 2 to the y. X will be replaced with number 5 as I found there, plus 2 to the z minus 5. So this one equals 73 because it's odd. 73 is the same as 72 plus number 1. So it's very clear here. Number 1 it will be cancelled out from both sides. So also this 72, it's very clear 72 equals, which is the same as 3 squared is multiplied by 2 to the 3, which is 8 is multiplied by 9. Okay. So now I have here 2 to the y minus 5 plus 2 to the z minus 5 equals 3 squared is multiplied by 2 to the 3. Okay. Now let's take 2 to the y minus 5 as a common factor as well here. So I get here 2 to the y minus 5 factor. This one is multiplied by number 1. So the second term is going to be multiplied by z minus this 5 here minus this one minus y plus number 5. Okay, which equals 3 squared is multiplied by 2 to the 3, like this. So let's cancel out this number 5, okay, because one is positive, the other one is negative. So let's take this one equals to this one because it's even. Let's take this also, this one equals to this one. So I'm simply going to solve the simple equation system here in terms of z and y. So we get here y minus 5 equals this exponent 3, and also so we are going to take this thing here, which is 1 plus 2 to the z minus y equals 9. Okay, 3 to the equals 3 squared, which is equals 9. Is 9 is the same as 8 plus number 1, which is the same as 2 cubed plus number 1. Let's cancel out number 1 from the left and the right. So I will be left with this one. Z minus 1 equals this exponent 3. So let's add this one with this one here. So I get z minus y equals 3. So we get here two things here, two expressions, this one and this one. So we get y minus 5 equals 3. I'm simply going to put y equals 3 plus number 5, which is 8. So I'm simply going to replace this value of y into this one to find z. So which means z equals 3 plus y, which is 11. Okay, we get the following solution. We get x equals 5 and y equals 8 with z equals 11. So we get x, y, z as a solution. Okay, so we get the first solution. Also we get the second pair of the solution. So I'm going to leave this number 5 in the front as a first order. Let's switch just these two values. So I get here 5, I get 11, and 8 is also a solution. Let's move over this 5 to the next order. So I get here 5. Let's switch these two terms. Let's put 11 here and 8. So I'm going to keep this one in the middle. So let's switch just this one. 8 becomes as a first order, the other one becomes here. Okay, actually we get 4 pair of the solution. Let's move over this number 5 to the end as a last order. So we get here 5, so which means I get 8 is a solution, I get 11 is a solution. Lastly, I get 11 is a solution, 8 is a solution. Keep 5 at the end as a last order. Okay, so we get here 6 pair of the solution. So I have finished with this problem. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and support the channel, and thank you for watching. I will see you next video.